All right, hello. So in Ruby and Law's external multi-hack version 1.1, this is the new version. And the previous version we had configs, but this config was very bland. It only included the skin changer and the three aimbot values. This has since changed because of new features being added. So some users, I saw some replies that they didn't know how to make a config and they didn't know how to set the skins. They just said it didn't work. I've already explained the skins in another video, but I'm just going to show you a quick way to set your keys or to set your aimbot values so you can save it for each restart of the hack or whatever you choose to do. So as a given, you download the hack and put it in a folder on the desktop or whatever, and as you run it, you'll see that it opens up, and that is normal, and it has created a file called rwbyExt.ini. This is our config file. So say I run through this, obviously I messed up these keys because I keep clicking mouse 1, but obviously you would press the key that you want this assigned to. This will not write automatically, but as a given, so say I want triggerbot to be F3, hold, and then, go through the rest of my keys. And now you see I have 114, 6, 1155, 116, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. These are the number values for the keys that I have just pressed. So what you can do is you go back to your config that it just created and double click it to enter it, and you'll notice that it now has a whole bunch of stuff in it. So as at a start, you see the aim, section, and it's got X smooth, Y smooth, bone, and FOV. FOV is a new feature we just added in this update, but you can change all of the aimbot settings here, and this is the only place you can change them. X smooth and Y smooth is to change the smoothness of the aimbot. If you don't, if you're in the mood for more of a rage type feeling, you can possibly lower the smooth to see if that gives you a better result. And if you're also raging, I suggest raising the FOV. Now, when we move on, you see the skin section, and we have every single gun listed in the game. I won't go into too much detail because I've explained this in another video, but this is where you would change the IDs for that here. So now to the fun part, or the more annoying part of this is, so you come down here and you see keys. So most users complain that we have a lot of keys and keybinds that you have to set up. It's not the best thing, and they don't like doing it every restart. So I've went ahead and added it to the config. So once you've assigned all your keys, it does not write automatically, but you can go back over here and see like trigger bot key. You can go over here and do 114, and just basically mimic it. And that, so, you just mimic it, and so this is 115, 5, um, 112 or something, and then just save that. I suggest changing all of them, not just one of them, because it won't rerun you through that process, which I'm about to show you. So after you've done that and you close it, you run the hack one more time. And as a result, you'll see a little message pop up and it says, oh, it seems you've already set the keys via config, loading the keys from your config file, and the keys have been loaded. So now the hack's already loaded at this point. You don't have to input anything, and you're good to go, and you can use the keys that you always use. So that is basically a config overview on how to change your keys so you can use them on startup every time.